In this video, I will demonstrate how you can import data into a DataVerse table. Let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, now to import data into a DataVerse table, the first thing that you want to do is navigate to PowerApps and then click on the Tables menu option. Next, you want to find the table that you would like to import your data into. I'll click on this issue tracker table. Next, you want to click on the export button and you want to click export data. Next, you want to click on download exported data. And then you want to open the file. And you want to use this export as a template to prepare the data that you would like to import. Now, the reason that I recommend doing this is that this will display all of the columns in your table, and it will also display how the data needs to be formatted in order to be successfully imported. Now, you can see here that I've gone ahead and prepared my data using the CSV file that I exported, and you can see here that I have 5 rows that I will be importing. Next, you want to return to your table screen and you want to click on the import button, and then you want to click on import data from Excel. Next, you want to click on File Not Uploaded, and you want to select the CSV file that you've prepared. You can see here that the mapping status field displays this message that mapping was successful. If you wanted to review the mapping, you can click on this Map Columns button, and this will display a list of the columns from your CSV file in the source values and the corresponding columns that they have been mapped to in your DataVerse table. Now I'll click Cancel. And next you want to click Import. You can see here the data is being imported, and you can see here that the import was successful and that a total of 5 records were imported. Now I'll go ahead and refresh my screen. And I'll click on 3 additional rows, and you can see here that the records 9 from 13 were included in my CSV file and that they were successfully loaded to this table. So that's it. In this video, I demonstrated how you can import data into a Microsoft DataVerse table. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. I'm Louis Yacobelis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.